Hey, magandang buhay! So ako si Sir Ben at narito ako upang i-discuss ang 6 trigonometric ratios ng mga special angles. Ready ka na? Great! So dito sa video na to, malalaman natin kung paano i-identify yung sine 30, cosine 30, tangent 45. Yan, yung mga nakikita nyo sa screen, malalaman natin kung paano i-identify yung value nila without using a calculator. So Sir Ben, possible po ba yon? Yes, possible siya. So para malaman natin yung exact values nila, kailangan natin gamitin yung mga triangles nito. So yung 45, 45, 90 triangle at saka yung 30, 60, 90 triangle. So paano natin magagamit yung 45, 45, 90 triangle at saka yung 30, 60, 90 triangle? So kailangan natin i-identify yung measurements ng kanilang sides and then gagamitin natin yung swakatawa, yung na-discuss last week. Okay? So umpisa natin yan sa isang 45, 45, 90 triangle. So, ang isang 45, 45, 90 triangle, that is a tawag dito, an isosceles triangle. So, bakit? Knowing that the two angles are equal, so pwede nating sabihin na yung dalawang legs niya equal din. So, bakit? By the use of the converse of the isosceles triangle theorem. So, yung sinasabi ng converse na isosceles triangle theorem is that if yung dalawang angles ng isang triangle ay congruent, then yung opposite sides nila ay congruent din. No? So, kung dalawang sides ay congruent, therefore, isosceles triangle ito. Okay? Say for example, yung sukat ng dalawang congruent sides na yan, sabihin na natin na equal sila sa 1. So, let us identify yung length ng hypotenuse natin by using the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so 1 squared plus 1 squared, definitely that will be 2. So, ibig sabihin nun dito, yung value ng c squared natin, 2 siya. So, kunin natin yung value ng c or yung hypotenuse natin. So, i-square natin yung both sides ng equation natin. So, ibig sabihin niya dito, yung value ng c ay square root of 2. So, since may measurement ng legs sa aking hypotenuse natin, ang gagawin na natin dito is identify natin yung value ng sine 45, ng cosine 45, ng tangent 45, cosecant 45, secant 45, at saka ng cotangent 45. So since pareho namang 45 yung base angles natin, ito na lang yung gagamitin kong reference angle natin. Okay? So let us now identify yung 6 trigonometric ratio ng isang 45 degree angle. So sine 45 again, so katawa, sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, tapos tangent is equivalent to opposite over adjacent. Tapos yung cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, yung secant is the reciprocal of cosine, and then yung cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. So sine 45 muna. Sine 45, that is opposite over hypotenuse. Now, yung opposite side is 1, tapos yung hypotenuse is square root of 2. So, syempre, i-rationalize natin yan, multiplying the numerator and the denominator by square root of 2. Okay, or multiplying 1 over square root of 2 by square root of 2 over square root of 2. So, yung value ngayon ng sine 45 is square root of 2 over 2. So, cosine 45 naman, syempre, that will be adjacent over hypotenuse. So, adjacent 1, hypotenuse is square root of 2. So, ibig sabihin dito, cosine 45 is equivalent to 1 over square root of 2. Rationalize that fraction and we will get, okay, tama observation mo, parehas lang sila ng sine 45. So, square root of 2 over 2 rin yung cosine 45 natin. For the value of tangent 45, so that will be opposite over adjacent. Opposite ay 1, adjacent ay 1. So, that is just simply 1 over 1 or 1. Next, cosecant 45. Sa cosecant 45, i-reciprocate natin yung value ng sine 45. Pero in this case, ito na lang ang reciprocate natin. Huwag mong i-reciprocate na to. Kasi kapag na-reciprocate mo to, i-rationalize mo, same thing naman, makukuha natin yung same value. So, ang i-reciprocate na natin is yung 1 over square root of 2. So, kapag na-reciprocate natin yan, that will be square root of 2 over 1 or just simply square root of 2. So, secant 45, ganun din, ang reciprocate na natin, ito, yung 1 over square root of 2. So therefore, yung value ng secant 45 is square root of 2 over 1 or just simply square root of 2. So sa cotangent 45, i-reciprocate mo lang yung value ng tangent 45 and definitely that will be 1. So yan ngayon yung 6 trigonometric ratios ng isang 45 degree angle. Sunod naman tayo sa 6 trigonometric ratio ng isang 30-degree angle at saka ng isang 60-degree angle. So, para makakuha tayo or makakreate tayo ng isang 30, 60, 90 triangle, kailangan natin gumamit ng isang equilateral triangle na kung saan yung sukat ng bawat sides niya ay 2. So, ang gagawin niya natin dito, mag-create tayo ng altitude. And as you can see on the screen, on our screen. So yung altitude na yon or yung segment na yon or yung side na yon divides that equilateral triangle into two congruent triangles. Okay? So in that case, 1, 1 ngayon yung doon sa base, tapos 30, 30 ngayon yung doon sa vertex angle natin. No? So if I may say yes, vertex. Tawagin na natin itong vertex angle. Okay? Ngayon, focus tayo dito sa triangle na to. No? So, we need to identify ano yung sukat ng ating height dito. So again, gamitin natin yung Pythagorean theorem. So ito ngayon, since base ito yung B natin. Since altitude ito yung A natin. Tapos ito yung ating hypotenuse which is yung C. Okay? So identify natin yung value ng A. So A squared plus 1 squared is equal to 2 squared. So definitely magiging A squared plus 1 is equal to 4. Solving for A, so we add negative 1 on both sides of the equation. So bali magiging A squared is equal to 3. Tapos square both sides of the equation. So in that case, A is equal to square root of 3. So yung height natin or yung altitude natin dito, square root of 3. So ngayon, i-identify natin ngayon yung 6 trigonometric ratio ng isang 30-degree angle. So 30 degrees, ito siya. So yung magiging adjacent side natin, yung opposite side natin is 1, adjacent side is square root of 3. Syempre yung hypotenuse natin 2 pa rin yan. Okay? So sine 30 opposite over hypotenuse. So that will be 1 over 2 or 1/2 lang siya. Sunod naman tayo dito, cosine 30, cosine is equivalent to adjacent over hypotenuse. In that case, that will be square root of 3 over 2. Tapos, tangent 30 naman, opposite over adjacent, 1 over square root of 3. Or, syempre, kailangan natin i-rationalize yan. That will be square root of 3 over 3. Tapos, cosecant 30 naman. Cosecant 30, reciprocate lang natin yung sine 30. So, 1/2, yung reciprocal niya is, correct, 2 over 1 or 2. Secant 30 naman, syempre, reciprocate lang natin yung value ng cosine 30. So, in that case, that will be correct? 2 over square root of 3. Pero syempre, kailangan natin i-rationalize yan. So, rationalizing that number, so yung value ng secant 30 natin is 2 square root of 3 over 3. And then yung last, yung cotangent 30, reciprocate natin itong value na to. Yung 1 over square root of 3. Since equal naman itong dalawa. So, pag na-reciprocate natin yung 1 over square root of 3, that will be square root of 3 over 1 or just simply square root of 3. Next, sa identify naman natin yung 6 trigonometric ratio ng isang 60-degree angle. So in that case, ito ngayon yung ating adjacent side, ito ngayon yung ating opposite side, and then yung hypotenuse, siya pa rin. Okay? Ngayon, sine 60. Sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So in that case, opposite is square root of 3, hypotenuse is 2. So yung sine 60 is equivalent to square root of 3 over 2. Cosine 60 naman, cosine 60 adjacent over hypotenuse. Yung adjacent side natin dito is 1, yung hypotenuse is 2. So therefore, sa cosine 60 is 1/2. Next, tangent 60 opposite over adjacent. So bali magiging square root of 3 over 1 or just simply square root of 3. Sunod sa cosecant 60, reciprocate lang natin ito. So pag na-reciprocate natin yan, that will be 2 square root of 3. 2 over square root of 3 or just simply 2 square root of 3 over 3. So secant 60 naman, reciprocate natin yung cosine 60. So reciprocal ng 1/2 is 2. So secant 60 is equivalent to 2. And then yung last, yung tangent 60, so reciprocate natin yung value niya. So para ma-identify yung value ng cotangent 60, reciprocate natin yung value ng tangent 60. So square root of 3 over 1, reciprocate natin yan, magiging 1 over square root of 3. So rationalize that fraction, so that will be square root of 3 over 3. So i-sum up natin yung 6 trigonometric ratios ng special angles. So we have here a table. So pwede nyo i-screenshot ito kung nahihirapan kayong kung nahihirapan kayong mag-memorize, i-screenshot nyo to. Tapos i-familiarize nyo yung sarili nyo dito sa table na to. So sa 45-degree angle, ito yung 6 trigonometric ratios niya. Tapos sa 30-degree angle, and then sa 60-degree angle. Okay? So, we need to memorize yung trigonometric ratios ng 30-degree angle, 45-degree angle, at saka ng 60-degree angle. If in case hirap tayong mag-memorize, at least na ipakita ko yung process paano i-identify yung mga trigonometric ratios. Okay? So just simply, it's either you memorize this table or you memorize the process. Okay? And with that, maraming salamat sa pagkikinig and magandang buhay.